Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour on CNBC TV18. We are above that 25,000 mark. So let's get in Mangalam. He's bringing us the latest trends from the F&O space. What's happening here, Mangalam?
Well, it's looking very good for the frontline indices. In fact, the Nifty has been driven by two major indices. We have the Nifty Bank, which is outperforming. It's up 0.75%. And alongside that, we have the Nifty IT index as well, ahead of the IT results. That's, an index which is doing extremely well, up around 1.5%. So when both of them power it ahead, we have the Nifty, which is holding above the 25,000 mark itself. And that's important because, on the one hand, you have heavyweights like HDFC Bank as well as Kotak Mahindra, all of them on the back of good updates powering the Nifty Bank ahead. There is belief that maybe there's some sort of valuation comfort coming in the IT pack as well. And in crossing the 25,000 mark, the Nifty has gone ahead and actually crossed important levels as well. Between 24,900 and 25,000, there were important moving averages. We had the 100 and the 20-day moving average. Both of them have been crossed on the way up in today's trading session. And the Nifty Bank too, with its over 400-point move today, has crossed past the 100-day moving average. Now what this has done is this has given bulls some support to go ahead and ride the 24,900 put. So we've seen some traction out there. So 24,850 now becomes the new base for the frontline index. However, 25,000 call writers are still fairly active in today's trading session. And what we need to see is whether the Nifty sustains above that 25,000 mark, closer to 25,050 or not, largely because the 25,000 call has a lot of open interest built up. In fact, if the Nifty sustains above 25,050, then all these call writers at 25,000 ahead of expiry tomorrow will have to cover their positions. And who's to say the Nifty can actually go up almost 100, 150 points from here on itself, provided it sustains at these levels. We've seen writing at the 2550 call as well. But there are a couple of points which do point towards some bit of overheating a little around that 25,000 mark. Why do I say that? Because one, even as the market's higher, the India VIX hasn't cooled off. So the India VIX is higher. And secondly, the put call ratio ahead of expiry tomorrow has moved to 1.3. This compares with 1.16. So it's moved to the higher end of this range. So until this moderates, we can't see a big spike upwards, but we'll have to watch out for that. A lot of individual stocks are fairly well bid today, so a lot of long positions added on Fortis, Nykaa as well as Delivery. But keep an eye out on HFCL, Sammaan Cap and SAIL. All of them are flirting with a 95% market-wide position limit mark. If it does cross and close above that, then these stocks are likely to go into F&O ban.
Likely to go into F&O ban. Sammaan Capital out of the ban today, may enter the ban again. It's down another 6% today after that 5% fall that it saw on Friday. Perfect sell, the news trade playing out here on Sammaan Capital, 6.5% lower there on the stock. Devang Mehta from